Welcome to this comprehension practice session. The passage today is on wildlife conservation in India. Have fun learning. India is home to a diverse array of wildlife, which includes a number of species that are unique to the region. The conservation of these species and their habitats has become a priority due to the threats posed by habitat destruction, poaching, and climate change. As a result, India has implemented numerous conservation projects and established laws to protect its natural heritage. One of the cornerstone efforts in wildlife conservation in India is the establishment of protected areas, including national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and tiger reserves. These areas are crucial for preserving the habitats of many species and provide safe havens where animals can live and reproduce without the immediate threats of human interference. The Project Tiger, initiated in 1973, is one of the most successful conservation projects in India. It has played a significant role in increasing the population of the Bengal tiger, which is now classified as an endangered species. Through Project Tiger, the government has established over 50 tiger reserves across the country, which are monitored for poaching and habitat destruction. The Indian elephant, another iconic species, has also received considerable attention through Project Elephant, launched in 1992. This initiative focuses on securing elephant corridors to ensure safe migration between different habitats and reduce human-elephant conflicts. In addition to these projects, the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 and the Forest Conservation Act of 1980 provide the legal backbone for wildlife conservation efforts in India. These laws regulate wildlife trade and provide measures for the conservation of forests and wildlife. Community involvement is also a key aspect of conservation strategies in India. Many NGOs and local communities work alongside government bodies to protect wildlife. These collaborations help in raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity and in implementing successful conservation practices. Now answer the questions based on the passage. What is a primary reason for wildlife conservation efforts in India? Which initiative is focused specifically on the Bengal tiger? Find the synonym of crucial as used in the passage. What is an antonym for increase in the context of threats to wildlife mentioned in the passage? Based on the passage, which law helps regulate wildlife trade in India? Hope you enjoyed the session. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.